Follow up on early model 2004 F350 6.0 diesel. Basically, we had a sensor blowout, which triggers your injection system. Anyway, we'll go into the detail. Right now, we're crushed for time because of the weather, and luckily it's beautiful today. Broke everything down. As you can see, all the seals are going to be replaced. Injectors went with the Alliant 000 model. Excellent set. Thank you, Richmond Ford, for breaking open a set of wheel pump seals. It did not come with a quick disconnect, so I have enough now, and all quick disconnects are going to be disconnected if they comply. You know, if they'll come loose on you, because it's not easy getting them off without breaking something. Thank you, plastic. Anyway, other than the major seal repairs, you can see all our stuff is out. Everything's been cleaned at least twice. Thermostat change, of course. Radiator cap, please do that every time. Flush out as best you can. Right now, like I said, we're so behind because of the, you can see all my little chemicals that I use. There's some of your old, worn out, everything. Major leaks at your intake. I don't know if it was just improperly installed. Yes, it had been serviced in North Carolina and Richmond. Anyway, we're about to die, so here we go. Pump.